Let me go to Data Migration Cockpit. Select this. I can click on Create Migrate Data using staging tables. Enter the name, say Migrate Quality Info Record. Press Enter key. Click on Step 2. Here I can select Local Package and click on Step 3. Here we can search for the object which we want to migrate, say quality info record. Press enter key. Select this. Click on this arrow. Two objects need to be migrated before I migrate my quality info record, which is the product and the supplier. So the material should be created and even the vendor master data should be created when I am migrating my quality info record. Click on review and select do not add. Click on create project. Select this and click on this arrow. Once I will get the option to download the template, which is at present not available, we can wait till that much time. Now I can see the download template option. So click on download template, select the option XML formatting in this, click on OK, and we can save it on the desktop. Keep it. And now we can open it. Click on editable mode. And from here, file, I can select options, and in the advanced, we can check the indicator, which is set precision as displayed. Okay, continue. And here, just now what we have done is this, which is a prerequisite. Okay, what all sheets are mandatory, orange sheets are mandatory, and the blue one is a optional one. So I can maintain only the orange sheet, which is mandatory. You can drag it to see the further details about it. And if you want, you can unhide these columns, which will give you the technical details of the this object, like the table which will be used and the field names which are there. So we need to fill this sheet. Okay. Since the master data for the vendor and the material should be already there before I create my quality info record, so I can pick few material from MM60 and my plant is 1710 and material type I can enter as raw. Okay, click on execute. This, if I double click on it, continue, quality management view is already there in this, and here control key is not active. Okay, but still we can create a quality info record for this. Let's try to create it. Okay, so I can select few materials, these three materials. Okay, copy it and then we can paste it here as the material. From the plant, I have already entered the filter for plant 1710. So I can enter the same here. I need a supplier, and let me go to the existing quality info record for one material. So QI02, enter material is say 72 and plant is 1710. This is the supplier. Press enter key. It is just a warning, or the QM procurement key is not maintained. Here, this is the data which we are maintaining, and the same data we can maintain in the XML file. So this is the supplier which I can maintain here in this, and I can keep the same supplier for remaining also. And here we have to maintain the release date. In this is the release date. Okay, so whatever release date you want to maintain, you can maintain it. Let me enter it, say 12/12/2026. The date format, so you can just maintain the right date format here. And if you want, you can maintain the release quantity, which we are maintaining here in this. This is the release quantity. Okay, so if you want, you can add it. It is not a mandatory field. If you don't want to maintain it, you can skip also. Okay, so let me enter 100 in this, and I'm maintaining here in this, say 500. Okay, block function is there. If you want, you can maintain the block function, like these are the block functions, but I'm not maintaining any block function here in this. Source inspection type for the source inspection. Okay, so here we maintain source inspection type. So in this we maintain either 01 or 0101, or if any other inspection type you want to be picked, that information we can maintain in this. So let me enter say 01 in this, and in the third one I'm maintaining 0101. Okay, and here also 01. Remaining information, since it's not mandatory, I can skip the information. Okay, and let's save it. Continue, and we can close it. Continue with the uploading of it. Okay, so again we can go to upload the file. You can specify the file which you have just now updated. Okay, and at present validation is scheduled. It will take some time. Message is coming as data successfully transferred to the staging table. Let's go back, and we can click on prepare. Click on prepare staging tables. If you want, you can click on monitoring. It is started. It will tell you so far what is done. Is completed. Let me go back, and now we can click on mapping task. These are the fields which we have to map. So just double click on it, and we can select manually each 0101. Okay, so it is model inspection at the GR. Okay, so that it is, confirm it. You can confirm similarly for other fields also, like 01 is for good receipt inspection. Okay, click on mapping of plant, and the plant should be already present, which is 1710. Okay, click on confirm, and we can select mapping of product, which is we have picked from MM60 report only. So you can just continue with the confirmation of each material, because that should be present in the system. Even the supplier should be there. So since I have picked the supplier which was already there, you can just check the detail and click on confirm. Let's go back. So all the fields are confirmed now. Let's go back and click on simulate, start simulation. Click on monitoring. Since there are 3 records, it is just showing me those details, and it will take some time. Let's go back, and then we can click on migrate. If there is any error, it will give you the error, and you can check the details also for the error. Here you can see at present instance is coming as 3 and the tables also is 2. If you click on tables, it will give you the technical information like the header level data is this and the long text relevant data. Let me go back. It is done successfully. Now we can check these information in the system. Okay, so we have picked the material which was 627. Okay, so I can enter say 627, press enter key. Okay, it is just a warning for the QM procurement key is not maintained. So this is the release date which we have maintained. Even the released quantity I have maintained is 100. That is coming. And for the first one, I have maintained source inspection. Okay, so that is coming here. Let me go back and we can check the information for say 8. Press enter key. Press enter. And for this, I haven't maintained any released quantity. And for this, again, it is 01. But for the third one, which is 9, press enter key, press enter. Here, the released quantity, I have kept it as 500 and it was 0101, which is a source inspection. At the table level, if we want to see the details, because here we can see the tables which are coming is for the quality info record is QINF. So I can go to SC16 and enter, and we can go to QINF, enter, and here you can, if you want, you can enter the material, or we can take this material. Okay, Control C, and I can enter the material list here. And now click on execute. So here you can see the release date which we have maintained and even the quantity. We can check even the source inspection we have maintained in the last, and the other two are 0101 only. If we check the file, we have maintained the same data. We can cross check that these are the entries which are maintained.